This is Alex Wathen. I'm standing right in front of a foreclosed home. As you can see, this is a home that was foreclosed on, and now the mortgage company, whoever owns it now, is probably the mortgage company, is trying to sell this home. It would have been much better if the homeowner could have stayed in the home. Obviously, once we get the mortgage modification bill passed, we can do even more, but what we can do right now in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is we can cure the mortgage over up to 5 years, and to let you catch up, and by catching up on the loan, you'll come out of the Chapter 13 current. But in order to do that, you have to make sure that you file bankruptcy before the foreclosure sale. In Texas, we have non-judicial foreclosure. There is no redemption period after the foreclosure sale. In fact, that's the redemption period is before the foreclosure sale. So, in fact, it's actually before the acceleration. Otherwise, you have to pay the entire amount due on the loan to stop the foreclosure, unless you file Chapter 13 bankruptcy, or somehow can get the lender to stop the foreclosure. So make sure you file your Chapter 13 bankruptcy before the foreclosure sale takes place. That's assuming, of course, that you have not had repeat filings in the last year or the year prior to this year, so that you don't have restrictions on your automatic stay. So if you have an automatic stay, or in some cases a co-debtor stay might be sufficient. If there's a non-filing co-debtor, then that can stop the foreclosure sale and give you a chance to cure. And of course, in some cases the stay needs to be extended, but that's something you need to check with your bankruptcy attorney just to make sure whether that applies in your case. But if you qualify, you can do a Chapter 13, stop the foreclosure, have up to 5 years to cure. But in Texas, you must file that Chapter 13 before the foreclosure sale, because there is no more redemption period after that sale. And of course, that's I think the rule in most states, that the foreclosure sale is it. But it depends a little bit on the laws of your state, obviously, as to when you can redeem it or not. So check with your attorney. Anyway, this is Alex Wathen. Thank you so much for listening.